This video will show you an easy way to speed up your internet. Let's get into it. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up the Chrome browser. Then we're going to run this internet speed test because we want to check our speeds before we do any changes to the computer. So let's type in internet speed test, which will bring us to this speed test. Let's go ahead and hit run. I currently have 100 megs down. Let's see what we get. So we got 80.7 down. And we got 5.5 gigabyte up. So that's our speed test before we make any changes. So let's go ahead and minimize this screen. Let's go down here to the little computer right here. Let's go ahead and do a right click. Open Network and Internet Settings. Let's go over here to Ethernet. Let's go ahead and change adapter options. Now we're going to right click on Local Area Connection. We're going to go to Properties. So left click on Properties. We're going to find Internet Protocol version 4. Let's go ahead and left click on that. Let's go Properties. Now I currently have DNS settings for Google 8.8.8.8 and .4.4. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and change this to Cloudflare's DNS, which is 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. Now this is supposed to speed up our internet. Let's go ahead and hit OK. Cloudflare is saying that their DNS servers are better, faster, and more secure. Let's go ahead and close this, and close this, close this. Now let's go ahead and bring up Chrome again. And let's go ahead and run this speed test to see what we get. Well, it looks like it's doing a little better. We have 83.9. Before we had 80.7. And our upload speed is a little better as well. We're at 5.81. Now keep in mind you can run the speed test multiple times. You'll get multiple answers. But Cloudflare is supposed to be faster and more secure. Now that we've run that, let's go up here to GRC's DNS name server performance. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go to this page here. This is grc.com and just type in domain name speed benchmark. So something like GRC domain name speed benchmark, which should bring you up to this page here. Let's go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and put all this stuff in the comments down below, or the information down below. Let's go ahead and download this tool. It's a really small tool. And now that it's downloaded down here, let's go ahead and click on it. And we're going to go over here to name servers. This shows that I'm running those name servers that I just put in, the 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. And we're going to wait for this to finish out here. It's bringing up the list of DNS resolvers, which are the different DNSs that it can see from this computer, and it's going to compare it to other DNSs. So let's go ahead and hit the benchmark, and the ones at the top are better. DNS, or domain name system, basically translates domain names to IP addresses so that you can access them with your browser instead of typing in an IP address. See the 1.1.1.1, the Cloudflare is doing well. It's up towards the top. And it does really well compared to other DNSs down here. See, Google's is down here, 8.8.4.4. So this is a cool little tool. if you want to try it. Gives you an idea how your DNS is doing, which also shows you that if you put in these DNS settings, that your internet will be a little bit faster. So that's about it for today. I appreciate you watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.